At Transport for Wales, we are proud to make the safety of our colleagues and customers our top priority. Whilst Wales has one of the safest rail networks in the UK, we are always looking for new ways to make our customers feel even more confident when they travel with us. So we're delighted to be rolling out more than 250 body-worn cameras for our colleagues on all our routes and at key stations in Wales and England. These cameras were selected by our frontline staff in a trial last year. These state-of-the-art cameras capture high-definition footage and sound, as well as being trusted by other transport providers, police forces and other public bodies around the world. These are proven to reduce incidents of crime and antisocial behaviour, and during the trial last year we were able to provide our partners at the British Transport Police footage that became key evidence in prosecutions. We look forward to welcoming back our customers very soon and making this the safest railway it can possibly be.